Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this awesome watermelon lemonade for you, and it's one of my favorite lemonade this summer. Okay, let's start making this. I'm having here around 300 grams of watermelon. I didn't bother to take the seeds out because I'm gonna strain all of these. I add over watermelon 2-3 teaspoons of honey, and you can adjust the taste to your liking, and you can add honey later in the glasses as well. And honey is really tasty and also healthy. I'm juicing one lemon and I'm gonna add some of the lemon juice over the watermelon in NutriBullet glass, because the watermelon will keep the color vibrant. So I pour this in the cup over watermelon and honey, and use my NutriBullet to blend all of these. We need ice in our glasses, so I'm gonna put 2-3 pieces of ice, cubes of ice. And I told you I'm gonna strain the watermelon through a sifter, and as soon as watermelon touches that ice, the color gets super vibrant. Add more lemon juice, the rest of it, and fill up your glasses with fresh cold water. I really love the gradient, because as you can see on top of the glass, the liquid is more clear. Add a few mint leaves and this is it, the best lemonade ever. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and please ring the bell. You'll get notification every time I'm gonna post a new recipe, and also thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you again. Find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.